Now coming towards the pelvis area, here you can see this whole area, this is called as the pelvic girdle. Here on the upper lip, this is called as the pectoral girdle or shoulder girdle, and this is called as the pelvic girdle. In the pelvic area, you can see here the crest. This is the crest of the hip, the crest area. Then this is the ischium, ilium bone. This is the iliac bones. These are the iliac bones. The ilium represented on the posterior aspect, a rough area. A rough area, and this rough area is called the pubic tuberosity. If you sit on a surface, like if you sit on a surface in your daily life, sit on any surface, on a chair, on a table, in a bed. So what you are going to do? You are going to make contact of the pubic tuberosity. So if the pressure increases on this pubic tuberosity, it creates an indirect pressure on your muscle, the hip muscles, and it will in turn irritate the nerve structures. So continually